Mumi's mode of arguing was very different from that of a typical person. Instead of trying to look good or tell whomever she's arguing with bad things about themselves, she would do the reverse, which was to tell them that she represents the worst, nastiest, lowly, and filthy things anyone could think of. In doing so, persons would often get frustrated and end the argument, many times with a string of bad words. Daddy was the community rescuer. He literally worked miracles to make all sorts of old appliances work again. He fixed all size and age radios, clothes iron, television, microwave, sewing machine, washing machine, and refrigerators. So much we fixed the little old fan? Janet asked as she collected her goods. The owners never paid the correct amount Daddy charged. They were usually astonished and grateful that their appliance escaped the dumps, but always bawled on the price for the service. At age 6, Sunshine got dressed in her bathing suit, Mummy's handbag on her shoulder, her doll in one hand, sucking fingers on the other hand, and headed to town. Daddy had to bring her back home and explain that she was too young to go to town by herself. Town had lots of shops, and this brought her playing shop to life. Margie, Myrtle, and their cousins enjoyed playing as well. The make-believe shop was stocked by all the players, but only one person was allowed to be the shopkeeper, Elise. Again, she bullied her way into taking the lead, even after doing eeny, meeny, miny, mo repeatedly. The stories of love and unity far outnumber the negative headlines popularly profiling Jamaica. From our music to our sportsmanship, the camaraderie is tight. The expressions, one love, one heart. We are one big Irie family. Jamaica, no problem. Massive and out of many one people, heralded over the airwaves and written on the walls of our ports of entry, are not just words. They speak to the characteristics of a healthy family, the good family. There still remain families and individuals who are ardent believers and advocates of good morals, community relations, equal rights, and justice. With the efforts of all, Irie can be re-added to the One Big Irie Family. Those were just some little parts of the book, One Big Irie Family. If you're a Jamaican and you need to be reminded of some of these things, get a copy today. If you're not a Jamaican and you want to know more about Jamaica, get a copy today. That and the Irie Puzzle book are available on Amazon. Irie food, elki, bag juice, breadfruit, bulla, kalaloo, cassava, cheese strips, chicken back, chocha, dokonu, dumpling, guinea, jerk chicken, saltfish, sky juice, sugarcane, susumba, toto, yam. Do you know any of these? Which one do you like? Like all of them. Let me see what I long for now. I have a tin of ackee. Long for fresh ackee. Maybe some bulla. Not much. Names of pets in Jamaica: Blackmouth, Blackie, Bringle, Brinks, Brownie, Bruno, Brutus, Fluffy, Girly, Kitty, Longtail, Rex. What did you name your dog? I just love this book. It is amazing. Helps you to relax. I am certain that my life is beautiful. I am blessed, grateful, happy, and favored by God. I am certain that God is making a way for me every day. I am certain that my destiny helpers are on their way to me. I am certain that the level of support that I'm getting in my career and life is golden. I am certain that I have fruitful and mutually benefiting relationships. I am certain that I have enough money to do the things that I need to and want to without struggles. I am certain that I have a great relationship with God and is being led by His Spirit. I am certain that my family is saved, my household is serving the Lord in spirit and in truth. I am certain that my family is learning to be successful in life and in business. I'm certain that I have great family relationships and we love each other no matter what. I'm certain that my YouTube channel is growing rapidly. There is a drastic increase in views and subscriptions. That's mind-boggling. Christ's love is greater than we can ever imagine. It reaches farther than stars we see or deeper than any ocean. It's longer than any measurements we take and wider than our thoughts can contemplate. God delights in us and His children. Many things make Him happy, such as when we put our hope in Him because we know how much He loves us. Think about that for a moment. God loves us and enjoys us, His children who depend on Him. God's love for us has no measure. He especially loves those who commit their whole lives to Him and strive to please Him. The next time you look into the space on a clear night, take some time to thank our God for His immeasurable love. God will always love us. Nothing we do will remain His deep bond. He isn't threatened by our anger or lack of trust. He's bigger than that. Therefore, we can freely tell Him what's on our mind without fear.